Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Quintina. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, we are going to plan out the month of June in my Happy Planner. I cannot believe that it is June. It's actually June 3rd, so June is here already. Summertime is pretty much here. I don't even know what happened to the month of May. May just came and left. So anyways, like in all my other videos, we are using a kit from Paper and Glam. This is the kit that came for June. It is a beautiful kit. As you can see, there's like gold foil on the days of the week. It's so pretty. And then this is the second sheet that goes with it. It is a pool themed kit. I think it's so perfect for June, so I'm very excited to plan with this kit. I did pull some washi. I'm not sure which washi I'll actually end up using. I'm thinking these two. This one is suns and this is sunglasses, but I'm also leaning towards these two because this one is like, this blue one is it reminds me of a pool with floaties in it, and then this one right here just has a bunch of like words that remind you of like summertime. So I'm honestly not sure which washi we'll use. We'll figure it out when we get there. All right, this is my catch-all planner, but we're actually going to plan for, when I'm showing you guys my planner, we're planning for the month of June in my home section. This planner is pretty much done because in July, a bunch of the new planners are going to start. So I have a whole new planner set up for July. So this planner is just stripped down to pretty much the bare bones. So I hope to get a video up to show you like my new planner setup. Let's see. Yesterday I just did some pre-planning for June, so I just took like stickers from different sticker books. So this is my pre-plan section. And then sorry, you can hear my daughter in the background. I was trying to keep her entertained. So this is the month of May in my planner. I just wanted to show you guys. I got one Plan With Me video up, which was this one right here. I planned out this week, and then there are no more plans for the month of May. I just got really busy and I didn't have time to go in here and lay down a bunch of stickers. I just wanted to show you guys, like, sometimes that happens where you don't always get to pretty plan, I guess, you know. So it is what it is. So now we're moving on to June in my planner. If I'm being honest, I don't know, this divider really does not scream summertime to me. I think for this video, I'm not going to do the dashboard in this video because I really haven't had time to think about it. So maybe in another video I will set it up, but not for this video. This video we're only going to do the calendar view. So this paper right here, this idea came from Heather from Caliber Plan. I saw on her Instagram where she took like a daily sheet and she planned out her month using that daily sheet. So I thought that was like a really good idea. So I did that for the month of June. And then this page right here is my tending list. I used the Cultivate What Matters, the power sheets. And I always fill out my tending list, and then I hardly ever actually go back into that planners until, like, you know, it's towards the end of the month. And so I was like, you know, I need to make sure that I'm checking on my tending list. So I decided to pull it out and put it into my planner because I check this planner a lot more often. So this is just the tending list from the power sheets. This is the tending list for June, and I did have to like fold it down a little bit so it would fit, but it doesn't really bother me. So I'm hoping by putting it in this planner that I will check it. So I'm gonna pull those two out and I will put them back in when we're all done setting everything up. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead, decorate my month, and then just come back at the very end and, you know, talk you through any plans that I may have. I'm trying to think. I really don't have too much else to say. I do think I will try to pull stickers from the Squad Goals sticker book because, you know, they have these like little pull floaties right here. So I think I might try to use some stickers from there, and also from the new Wrong, the seasonal sticker book. I might try to use stickers from there. And I really have not planned much of anything else for June. Usually I will have like all my washi already laid out, but I haven't had time to do that yet, so I may do it after I get done filming this video. I'm kind of getting a little bit pressed for time because I have to go to work tonight. So I'm going to go ahead and get started laying down my stickers and washi and all that stuff, and then I'll come back at the end. the month of June has come out. I'm not sure how I feel about this washi choice. I like the sunglasses. I think it's like a nice theme to go with, like a pool theme, but I just feel like it's a little bit too dark. Like this pink is darker than this pink, so I don't know. We'll see if it grows on me. I almost like pulled it all up and chose another washi, but I was like, I'm not gonna do that. So it'll stay as it is for now. I did lay down like a few more decorations than I normally would, like with these little pool girls, and this little lady lying on the towel here, but I don't think I really have anything too much going on those days, so I didn't mind covering it up. And if I do end up having something, then I'll just put like a little sticker over it. It's not a big deal to me. But in case this is your first time watching a monthly plan with me, the washi symbolizes the days that I work. I work 7 on, 7 off at a hospital, so the washi symbolizes my 7 on or any extra days that I'm working. So I'm working extra today, Tuesday, and then also this Thursday I'm working extra. So that's what the washi is supposed to symbolize. It's just a quick visual reference for me to see what's going on as far as work is concerned. So the 7th is National Donut Day. So excited. I always celebrate Donut Day every June, so I'm going to definitely celebrate that on the 7th. The 8th is National Best Friends Day. Let's see what else. On the 14th, I have a date night planned, so I'm not sure what we're gonna do, but I do want to do something. On the 15th, so the 15th and 16th, it's Father's Day weekend, so usually the Saturday before Father's Day, we always, not always, but it's been a tradition for the past, I don't know, maybe 2 years now. Me, my husband, and my daughter, we meet with my friend who has twins, and he has an older daughter, so all of us usually all go to breakfast for Father's Day, so we will do that day as well. And then in the evening, I have plans to take my husband to one of his favorite restaurants, so we will do that because on the 16th, we usually go down and spend it with his family or, with my in-laws. So usually on the 16th, we spend Father's Day with his dad. So on the day before, I kind of want to do something for him. On the 17th, I really want to do a pool day with my daughter. I want to plan at least once a month, one, activity or family activity we all do together. So on the 17th, I'm planning for a pool day, just take her down there, spend some time at the pool. So that is pool day there. On the 21st is the first day of summer, also National Flip-Flop Day. I usually celebrate these small events I'm probably just going to go buy a new pair of flip-flops. The 23rd is Pink Day, and I'm actually working the 23rd. I hate these half days. I hate when they split the days like that. So usually to celebrate Pink Day, I just wear a pink pair of scrubs to work. The 27th is Sunglasses Day, so I usually will get a new pair of sunglasses because every year I break my sunglasses. It is what it is. So that day I usually will get a new pair of sunglasses. It's also my sister's birthday. And then there are some other seasonal events that I left out. I know probably these 3 days in I forgot I have a game night here on the 29th. I need to mark it. I'm just going to leave her here. I will put something here. I know that it's there because I have it with my in my other planner, but I forgot. On the 29th, I do have a game night with my friends, so I need to remember to mark it. sorry about that noise, because I did mark it here in my pre-plan, so it's there. I just forgot to put it here. But yeah, but on the 27th through the 30th, I will probably spend, not that whole time, but just, you know, one of those days, getting my new planner set up. Or it pretty much is set up, but I guess just finalizing things, adding little things in. Yeah. This is going to be my new planner for the summer. I don't think, let's see. I'll move this real quick. Yes, I kind of already have it set up. It is white. Or this, it's got a white hardcover on it, and I bought the rainbow metal disc, and I'm so excited. So yeah, I have 4 different planners in here, so woohoo, just a little sneak peek. But I hope to put a flip through of how I set this planner up. This is going to be my catch-all planner for now. You know, I may change it up again, you know, when they release all the new planners, but this is how I plan to set it up. All right, I can hear my daughter crying in the background, so that is going to be my cue to go ahead and cut this video off. I will maybe in another video try to do something with this dashboard, but I'm not going to do it in this video. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe. And any comments, suggestions, questions, go ahead and leave them down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye.